So this little area here, this one's a monocyte. So monocytes are supposed to have that kidney bean-shaped nucleus, which it does. This one here's a neutrophil. A neutrophil's antibacterial, but see it's broken on the edge. So that sort of means that it's hit something so toxic it's not really able to function. And these little circles here, that's sort of a sign of leaky gut. So leaky gut is something that, as a naturopath, obviously, we like to make sure people's guts are as strong as possible. These little lengthways structures, they're something that we haven't really seen a lot before until the last year and a half. This is a particular type of parasite in here, and you can see like it's fairly big compared to a red blood cell. So these little guys are beautiful red blood cells. They're all lovely and circular and in really good health. So these little parasites in there, there's actually quite a few of them in this slide. Once again, that little white blood cell there, that's another monocyte. There should be 4 to 8% of monocytes in the blood. Once again, weird. Once again, not supposed to be there. Let me just have a look at what this little guy is. I'm not sure what that is. That's actually got a bunch of parasites in it. So it's a bit of platelets that has sopped up a bunch of parasites. So that's just another mechanism the body uses in order to get rid of toxins, which is a very good thing. So once again, see these 3 little neutrophils. None of them have got really great edges on them. They're all a little bit broken. So that can be because of heavy metals. It can be because of infections. It can be because something strange is going on within the immune system that is just destroying the white blood cells from within. Now that one there, that one looks, I'm going to have a look at what color it is. Yeah, so that one's golden underneath the microscope. So it's called an eosinophil, and eosinophils pump histamines out into the bloodstream. But then here we've got lots of little signs of the leaky gut as well. So the platelets that are bubbling away. And once again, look at this next little structure that's showing up. There's another broken white blood cell. You know, it's supposed to be circular, but it's been broken. But you can see it's live. You can see little bits and bobs floating around in the bloodstream. There's some more parasites, those little bits that look like diamonds. Another little broken white blood cell. Another, just, you know, stuff we're not seeing generally. And more of these structures. Very interesting. Okay, so this little area here, these are sort of bits of leaky gut, you know, so they're called hypersecretory platelets. So there's quite a bit of that in this little area. These little 2 guys here, they are called lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are antiviral more than anything. They are beautiful, happy, healthy little cells. But there's some more broken neutrophils, the ones that are antibacterial more than anything. Once again, this is sort of what white blood cells do. They can come along and connect to each other. So there is a broken neutrophil chatting away to a lymphocyte. So they share information about how to destroy infections in the body. Now that is a very odd structure. So see sort of those lines through here, and the red blood cells are just But very interesting. So I just thought I'd share a few of those things, like the broken white blood cells, the things that are, you know, long straight lines. What are they doing there in the bloodstream? Goodness me, what's that little guy? Okay. Because you can imagine anything bigger than a red blood cell, so these ones are red blood cells, anything bigger than a red blood cell is basically a clotting agent. So let me just go hunting for two shakes. Yeah, so there's just, once again, as someone who's been doing HemoView for 15 years, it's very, very interesting watching what's going on at the moment. So I hope that's sort of interesting. I love looking at people's blood. Sort of like a starry, starry night, isn't it? So much going on. Okay, beautiful. See you later. Have a gorgeous day. Bye.